Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. A good deal. Features also include stability control, premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2016 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, wheel covers, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.